Alrighty everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Today is Friday, so it is the weekend now. Just wanted to say, still working on the plugs and switches and all that good stuff. Didn't quite finish this room. There's still some to go over here. As you can see, some of these boxes are kind of deep in the wall. You have to use box extensions on those. This one's even deeper. It's like almost half an inch, so it's pretty bad. So you have to grab longer screws, box extensions, and then sometimes you even have to add the plastic shim caterpillars behind them to give it support. And then if you tighten the screw too tight, then it'll strip out of the box because these boxes are absolute garbage. If you tighten it just over too tight by a little bit, it strips it out. And then I've just been skipping them once I've been stripped out, so I don't know what they'll do, if they just use bigger screws down the road or whatnot, or if they have to replace the box, because that'll be a nasty mess. But anyways, if you see by the title of the video, I am leaving this job site. I've been here 3 weeks, so I'm going back to the old job site, the parking garage slash retail slash apartments. So I'll be going back to that job site on Monday at 6 in the morning. I hope that's a joke, but maybe not. We always started at 6:30 when we were there, but it's been 3 weeks since I've been there, so maybe they dropped it down to 6. So that's unfortunate. Still smoky outside. I heard it's gonna be smoky until like Monday, so hopefully it'll clear up if I'm working outside or on the job site on Monday, because that's more of exposed and there's not really any interior walls like this where I can close windows off or doors. So hopefully it's not too smoky on Monday and have to work through that. That would be bad or annoying. So anyways guys, I think that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this job site for now, and I'll probably be back here down the road if something slows down again, maybe in a month or two, but we'll see. So gonna get you guys some new content back on Monday, something different for once, so I'm happy about that. And that should do it, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like. It would help me out. It's free. Subscribing is free. Checking out this description is free. And also hitting the notification bell is free to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks, guys, so much. Have an awesome rest of your day. Stay safe out there. God bless. And I was going to say something else, but I forgot. Have a great weekend. I think that was it. All right, guys. God bless. Peace out.